Now let's talk supplements. So things like iron, calcium, vitamin D, vitamin C, magnesium and zinc. Now, these are very important minerals and vitamins, and we must get them in our diet. And it is possible to get them through our foods. Now, when we're eating less organic foods, the soil may be depleted in some of these minerals. However, if we're eating that value of, say, 30 plants a day, we're bound to get those minerals. And remember, these are trace minerals. We don't have to have them in huge amounts. And unless you have a severe deficit in any of these minerals and vitamins, then you really don't need to supplement. You can easily get your vitamin C from your citrus fruits by having that drink of lime or lemon water and topping that up in the day as well. And in terms of the iron, sea moss is extremely good because it has the trace iron, which can help. I had a client in her 60s who was always iron deficient, and since her teens she went for a test, and for once she said that she was actually fine in her levels. So sea moss can be a very good natural supplement for iron. And remember, a lot of these vitamins really are marketing tools to get us to buy these things, and they do have extracts and synthetic substances in them. So we're not getting the pure natural vitamins and minerals. We get that from our foods. And like I said, unless you're severely deficient, then of course you can take a supplement. Now, fortified foods, which you can find in plant milks, and I think you can actually get the fortified milks like almond. And I mentioned, actually, let me just say, nuts in my previous videos. And of course, I'm talking about those nuts that Theo is not allergic to, that you'll have in the house when you're introducing your proteins. But your fortified foods in your almond milks, for instance, tofu, you can get fortified vitamins through those, especially your B12. And then you've got your magnesium. Magnesium is good for your nervous system. You can get that from your foods as well, particularly things like the cacao I mentioned. And I'm going to give you a whole list of the foods that contain these minerals and vitamins, but don't get fixated on just those minerals and vitamins, although important, because when you're eating a balanced diet, you're getting all of these things into your diet as well, and people tend to fixate on these individual minerals and vitamins, but we want to look at the whole picture, and we want to be getting a plethora of all these plant-based foods into your diet, not just these particular minerals and vitamins, but everything encompassed to make sure that you're getting sufficient. And zinc, you can get zinc in your diet also, and I will definitely provide you with a list of all the plant-based foods that you can get all these vitamins and minerals from, and they're going to be in your recipes as well.